Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and supports the required 3G/4G/5G bands for the markets you'll visit. Once confirmed, choose Physical SIM or eSIM and complete purchase with ID and payment. Make sure to record the ICSID and keep the original SIM tray and eject tool handy. After purchase, insert the Physical SIM or scan the eSIM QR. Once done, power on the phone and watch for initial carrier signal to begin the registration process. Next, configure the network and the roaming plan settings so data and calls work reliably abroad. Manually enter the provider APN values and save them exactly as given, then restart the phone to apply changes. Enable data roaming and mobile data and choose the network mode, LTE/5G for best performance. If automatic registration fails, manually select a network operator from the available list. Finally, confirm your balance, data allowance, and plan expiry so you avoid unexpected cutoffs while traveling. Finish by verifying service. Run a speed test, place a quick call, and send an SMS to ensure voice, data, and messaging are active. Once verified, set a data limit and enable roaming usage alerts to prevent surprises. Install the carrier app for balance and top-up convenience. If something goes wrong, try simple recovery steps. Toggle airplane mode, restart, re-enter APN settings, or rescan the eSIM QR. If still broken, contact the provider and give them the ICSID and your phone model for faster troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.